Remember that pure joy of jumping on a bed as a kid? That feeling of weightlessness, the uncontrollable giggles? What if I told you you could get that feeling back? And torch calories, be kinder to your joints, and boost your immune system? Sounds too good to be true? Nope. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Rebounder Trampolines, your new secret weapon for fitness that actually feels like play. Rebounders, or mini trampolines, are not just for kids or acrobats. They're one of the most joyful, beginner-friendly, and effective low-impact workouts out there. But starting wrong can lead to frustration or even injury. That's why this video exists. We're covering the most important points. Picking the perfect beginner rebounder. Stability is key. Mastering your first bounce safely. Posture and technique demystified. Your first 10-minute beginner workout. Fun and doable. Top mistakes newbies make. Save yourself the hassle. Making it stick. How to actually enjoy it. Ready to bounce? Let's jump in. Choosing your starter rebounder. Avoid wobbly nightmares. Not all rebounders are created equal, especially for beginners. Your number one priority? Stability. A wobbly rebounder is scary and unsafe. Here's what to look for. Legs. 6 legs minimum. Wider base. More stable. Avoid flimsy tripod styles. More legs usually mean a higher weight capacity too. Bounce mechanism. Springs. Traditional, powerful bounce. Ensure covered. Or bungees. Smoother, quieter, often gentler start. Great for beginners. The handlebar, your best friend. Highly recommended for newbies. It builds confidence, helps with balance, and lets you focus on form. Many are removable later. Mat should feel taut and supportive, not sagging. Quality matters for bounce and control. Size. Measure your space. 36 to 44 inches is common. Mind the ceiling height. Foldable and easy to carry. Budget tip. Don't buy the absolute cheapest. Investing $100 to $200 gets you way better stability and durability. Safety first. Your first bounce. Technique is everything. Okay, moment of truth. Feeling nervous? Totally normal. Let's break it down step by step. Mounting and dismounting. Always step on and off. No jumping off. Use the bar. The ready stance. Center of the mat. Soft knees. Core tight. Shoulders relaxed. Look forward, not down. This posture protects your back and joints. The magic move. The health bounce. This is your foundation. Forget jumping high. Focus on rhythm. Press down gently with your whole foot. Let the mat rebound you up. Barely an inch or two off the mat. Feel it. This gentle bounce is amazing for lymphatic drainage and warming up. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes first. Level up, the basic jump. From your health bounce rhythm, push down a little harder to get some air. Land softly. Bend those knees. Absorb the impact. Control is key. No crashing down. Posture patrol. Resist the hunch. Chest open, core engaged, eyes forward. Imagine a string pulling you tall from your head. Breathe. Inhale up, exhale down. Don't hold your breath. Practice just these bounces until they feel controlled and comfortable. Master this before trying fancy moves. Rebounding is a game changer for beginners. It's low impact but high reward. Gentle on joints but powerful for your heart, muscles, lymph, and mood. You don't need to be fit to start. You start to get fit and have fun doing it. Thanks for bouncing by. Remember, start slow, focus on form, and most importantly, have fun. Ready to start? Links to top beginner rebounder picks are in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.